Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Port Alberni local and long-distance movers near me. Getting the right cheap Port Alberni moving company will help with your local or long-distance move. 3 Movers offers the best team for your specific needs. We know how to make sure you can move fast and easy, no matter how far you need to go. Our team has helped families, businesses, students, and veterans move. There are plenty of options to help ensure you get the right long-distance move for you. We offer the following: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you're ready to ensure you get the long-distance move you need, we have the right help for you. Our team will provide you with plenty of options to make it easier to relocate 100 miles away or further. A team of Canada movers will make your local move so much easier. It's a big deal to pack up everything you have and move it, even if you just go a few miles away. Turning this heavy lifting over to local movers will help make things easier. 3 Movers offers all the right options to help you move faster and easier. We have the streamlined moving options you need to get you settled in faster. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Port Alberni moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.